Hi friends, Ladybug here. Today we're baking with organic rye flour, the cozy, hearty flour that makes bread taste like a warm hug. Rye is full of fiber, which helps keep tummies happy and helps us feel full longer. It also brings a deep, earthy flavor that makes bread extra yummy. People bake with rye all over the world, in Germany for pumpernickel, Denmark for rugbrød, Finland for ruisleiper, and Poland and Russia for hearty rye breads. That's a lot of rye miles. And here's the magic trick. Long fermentation, like sourdough, gives the dough more time to develop flavor and can make nutrients easier for our bodies to use. Like this video while you're watching, or right after. Subscribe to the Baking with Ladybug channel and scan the QR code to order our products on hotplate.com. Now grab your flour, wag your tail, and let's get our paws dusty.